Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 12th, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of Algonquin Power and Utilities. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Algonquin Power and Utilities has released its Q1 2025 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic shifts following the sale of their renewable energy business.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Algonquin reported a revenue of $692.4 million for Q1 2025, up from $646.2 million last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The increase in revenue is primarily driven by higher regulated electricity and natural gas distribution revenues, which saw significant growth compared to last year. This reflects both increased demand and favorable rate adjustments.
Despite the revenue growth, how did the company perform in terms of profitability?
Algonquin's operating income rose to $178.9 million, a substantial increase from $143.6 million in the previous year. Net earnings also turned positive at $78.9 million compared to a loss last year. The adjusted EPS of 2.12 cents beat the forecast of 9 cents, which is a positive surprise for investors.
Strategic initiatives and disposition of renewable energy business. Algonquin recently completed the sale of its renewable energy business. Can you tell us more about this strategic move?
Absolutely. The sale was completed on January 8, 2025, for proceeds of approximately $2.1 billion. This strategic divestiture allows Algonquin to focus more on its core regulated services and hydroelectric operations, which are more stable and predictable revenue streams.
Was there any financial impact from this sale?
Yes, the company recorded a minor loss of $0.8 million on the disposition. However, the proceeds significantly strengthened their balance sheet, providing liquidity for future investments in their regulated and hydro segments.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, how is Algonquin managing its operational efficiencies, and what does the future hold for the company?
Algonquin has been effective in controlling its operating expenses, which were $209.3 million this quarter. They've also reduced their interest expense significantly to $71.4 million, which is a positive sign of improved financial health. Looking ahead, the company is focusing on expanding its regulated services, which should provide steady growth and cash flow improvement.
What are the key risks and opportunities investors should be aware of?
The main opportunity lies in the expansion of their regulated services, which are less volatile. However, they must navigate regulatory challenges and potential competitive pressures in the utility sector. Overall, the outlook is cautiously optimistic.
Key takeaways. In summary, Algonquin Power and Utilities has shown strong performance in Q1 2025, with significant revenue growth and a strategic focus on regulated services. The completion of the renewable energy business sale marks a pivotal shift in their strategy. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Algonquin's performance and future prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Algonquin's performance in the comments below. Until next time.